I don't see any difference between worshiping on Saturday or Sunday. So why should it matter what day that I worship on?
It matters what day I worship on because it matters to God. You see, what matters to God should matter to me. As early as Genesis chapter 2, let's read from verse 1. Thus the heavens and the earth were finished, and all the host of them. And on the seventh day, God ended his work which he had made. And he rested on the seventh day from all his work which he had made. And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it, because that in it he had rested from all his work which God created and made. As early as Genesis chapter 2, verses 2 to 3, we're told 3 times that the Sabbath is the seventh day. It is God's day. Exodus chapter 20, reading from verse 8, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days shalt thou labor and do all thy work, but the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. And the reason why I cannot change it, it is not my day, it is God's day, and God chose the seventh. I have no authority to tell God he chose incorrectly. The reason why the day matters is because it matters to God. And God chose the seventh day, and that is Saturday. The seventh day is the Sabbath, regardless of how I feel about Wednesday, Thursday, or Sunday. There's one day God has blessed. One day he's hallowed, one day he's sanctified, that is the seventh day, and he's made that clear to Adam and Eve even before there was sin. The seventh day is the Sabbath. This is God's choice, and if God is my God and I obey him, I make his choice my choice. I don't offer recommendations to God, I submit to the will of God. The seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord, and God has never ever chosen any other day and will never choose any other day, because he said, I will not alter the thing that is gone out of my mouth. And he said from his mouth, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. It is the seventh day, back then, now, and always will be. That's God's will. Make God's will your will, and your life will be blessed.